Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your May love and work forecast for Geminis. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Gemini, this reading is for you. If you know a Gemini, you can cross watch it for them. Also, friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like, share, subscribe, join us on Instagram, and also visit to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. These are general reading, friends, may or may not resonate. Also, friends, make sure to check out the May pick a card readings. I have already done them. More are coming. The May pick a card readings. I have also done in Hindi Urdu versions of them, so you can check that out on the other channel. So let us see Geminis. Let me just shuffle the cards. Oh my god, the 9 of swords is coming out. Let's take it because it has flown out very clearly. Geminis, how are you doing? How are you feeling? Happy birthday, Geminis. It is your birthday month, you know, mid of the month will be your birthday month. So let's see theme of the month of May for Geminis. Theme of the month of May for Geminis. Alright, the Knight of Wands. So you're feeling very passionate this month. Very, very passionate and in your power. Look at that. This is a very ambitious month for you, Geminis. You will be taking charge of your destiny. You will be taking charge of your life. I also feel this is a very passionate month. You are going to be the go-getter. You are going to grab things by the bull. You know, whatever you want, you're going to go ahead and grab it, you know. No more waiting. You are powerful. And the High Priestess, I definitely feel this month your intuition will be bang on. You will be learning new things. You will be putting your, you know, I think you have been learning a lot since the past few years, Gemini. So this month you are actually making full use of that wisdom, your experiences, and you can count on yourself. You can count on your intuition, your wisdom. You are definitely knowledgeable. You are very, very powerful. You have this goddess energy, Geminis. So anybody coming towards you, you will know things beforehand. You know, you will have premonitions this month. So this is a very powerful month for you. And I do see right now you are suffering from anxiety, depression, any kind of health issues, BP, sugar, whatever you are suffering from. I do feel, I'm sorry to say, you might be having some ill health right now, but remember, in May you will recover. You have a very powerful immune system. You have a very healthy body in May. So, you know, listen to your intuition, and your health will be spot on. Your health will be great. You are very powerful. You are a go-getter. You are like grabbing the destiny by its hand, and you are going to win, Geminis. This is very powerful. You are like a magnet, attracting things towards you, attracting the people, right kind of people, attracting the situations that you want, money, ambition, health, whatever you want, you are attracting. You are like a miracle magnet. I don't know how to say this, Geminis. You are attracting a lot of good things towards you, and you feel passionate. You feel passionate this month. You will also feel at calm, you know, at ease, you know, Geminis. This is quite a contrast. You are you know, you're very passionate, you're bold, but at the same time you know that you know what you are doing, so you are never out of control. Very, very sassy energy, Geminis. Well done. Let's see who is coming in love life. What will be, how will your love life will be in the month of May? I'm getting April and February, so that is important for you. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important for you. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is also important. May, their love life for Geminis. Oh wow, the Wheel of Fortune, 6 of Cups. Yeah, definitely things are getting better. May, Geminis. All right. So definitely you could be dealing with a divine masculine or a feminine this month, a twin flame or a soulmate, a very intense soulmate connection. It could be your current partner. If you are single, it is a new person coming towards you. I do see that there is a person which is in no contact with you since a very, very long time. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I do feel that this could be a new person or somebody from work, or this could be a past lover. I see both the things here. So for some of you, this person is somebody you already know from the past. For others, this is a new person who likes you, but they haven't told you yet. So they are like, in hermit, they like you, but they haven't proposed you yet. So in the first week, there is a chance this person will send you telepathic messages. They will try to indirectly tell you they are interested in you, they like you. They might be from your work or career, a colleague or a boss. Also, this is somebody from your past. In the first week, they are coming back. They were a hermit, they were hiding, they were away from you. They will be approaching you, they will try to talk to you. I also see you will have important dreams of this person in the first week. So dreams are very much high in the first week of May. So you will dream a lot, important signs, important messages coming through your dreams, Gemini. So listen to your intuition. Write down, watch out for your dreams, messages. The second week is also wonderful. I do see that someone is crying over you. They are missing you. They definitely want you back. Geminis, this person is like they can't live without you. They are in long distance, away from you. Or you guys are in separation. They want you. They are crying for you. And they will want you to come back in the second week. They are like, come back, come back. You're my soulmate. I do see that a new start, there is a chance of a new start happening, or some forgiveness and healing happening in this connection in the second week. So the second week is the tides are turning in your favor, the tables are turning. Earlier this person left you, now they are coming back and they are begging you to stay, Gemini. So woohoo, well done. And I do see that it could be for some of you, you miss the past person, but you end up choosing the new person because this is something new coming your way. So for some of you, it is not the past person, it is the new person that is coming, and you will end up choosing them even though you miss somebody else. So third week definitely this page of Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sag person will be making strong moves towards you. They will want to take the responsibility of their actions of the past, and they want to make things improve things in this connection. So your love life in the third week is moving forward. There is a lot of communications, talks about traveling, meeting, settling down, future talks, and they want to take the responsibility of whatever is happening. Your person is like, see, I'll do it for you, baby. Why are you so worried? So they want to spoil you now. I don't know if you trust them or not, but they want to spoil you in this third week. See, Hanged Man, yeah, you will be like, okay, you want to spoil me, but I will wait and watch. I'll see how long it lasts. So you definitely are in a wait and watch approach here, Geminis. Although this person is like, I beg you to take me back. I want to take care of you, baby. Oh my god, I keep getting some Bryan Adams songs. So maybe they are your favorite or this person's favorite. Let's see the final week, Geminis. So in the final week, yes, I do see some past patterns will be releasing, some past burdens will be ending, conflict, tensions, worries ending. So good news is coming. I do see that your person wants expansion, but maybe you guys are in long distance and in another city or country, but so I don't see you will want to travel, both of you, but it might not be possible in the fourth week for you to travel because of the world situation or because of work or busy schedules. You will not be able to travel, although you want to travel. Both of you want to bridge this distance between the connection. I do feel, but your person will still gain your reassurance. They will be like, "Hey, please listen, don't leave me now," because you know they are this powerful person. They want your love, they want your attention. This could be an Aries, Leo, Sag, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, and look at that. They are like, see, your defenses are high, Gemini. Again, you are just waiting for a chance to drop this connection and run away. But you know your person is like, "Hey, baby, I got you. I'll not let you go this time. Second chances are real." So let's see. This could be your twin flame. I definitely feel, or a husband or wife, or someone important, who knows your value. So let's see. Gemini's advice for their love life. Okay, sacrifice. Again, the hanged man is here. Hope, number 17. And fulfillment of wishes. So yeah, I do feel that you have to um, keep your eyes open to a new perspective, because if you keep seeing the same situation through old eyes or through old views, you may miss out on the new things which are happening in your love life. So keep an open mind, Geminis, which is very important. I also feel there will be the lunar eclipse, which will be very important for you, and Mercury going retrograde, I think, in Gemini, so that will also affect you. So keep your mind open. People from the past are coming either for forgiveness, or they have literally changed, or there is an opportunity for you to see them in a new light, or to see the past in a new way, like a liberation, like something that was a stepping stone to your success. So keep your eyes open, stay hopeful, stay positive. And Nine of Cups, your wishes are absolutely, absolutely, Gemini, coming true this month, because this is also a start of your birthday. The sun will be moving in Gemini, but also, you know, this is karma. This is like rewards of your patience coming now. So you know your wishes, something will happen which will make you feel happy, which will make you feel like, oh, we were waiting for this and it happened. This person said sorry, they came back and they want us now. So you know those things will happen. So stay patient, keep your mind open. Gemini's, their work and career in the month of May. Okay. Sacral chakra, rest and rejuvenation. Number 2, number 4, doubling of energies. Financial and material changes, the truth, and the mental conflict. So yeah, I do feel that, you know, this month you will be a little confused whether to change a job, not to change a job. Should you do this, should you do that? There are some decisions, some confusions happening in your mind. I also feel that some of you will feel, Geminis, like overly active in your mind, because you know Sun is in Gemini, Mercury is in Gemini, and Saturn is also in Aquarius. So you will feel very, you know, mentally very charged up. So take time to rest and rejuvenate. Otherwise, you will overthink and get confused about your career. Some of you are changing your life purpose this month, or you are changing or improving or enhancing your life purpose, your life skills, your life divine gifts. So yes, some of you will be connecting with your creativity. Some of you will be spending time in dance, acting, modeling, creativity, fitness, exercise. You are learning something which you feel very passionate about, and it's wonderful. This is the path you are supposed to take right now. And you will be hesitant. It will not come easily. You will feel like, should I do this or shouldn't I do this? What will people say if I do this? If I follow dancing and make it my career, or if I post a dancing video, what will people say? Well, if you are enjoying, they will say that you are enjoying. That's what it is. So go for it. Truth, yes. Do what you feel called to do, for your higher purpose is calling you, Geminis. Go for it, and look at that. Financial and material changes, yes, there are financially I feel things are okay, but you may feel they could be better. You want more finances. You are like, come, money, come to me. You're my baby. I want you now. So you're like, come, baby. So money will be like coming in slowly, but it is still coming for you, Geminis. I also feel that some of you will be changing your life purpose or improving your life purpose, enhancing your life skills, learning something new, creativity, passions, you know, those things. It's a great month, actually. It's a great month. You are a Definitely a magnet, Gemini. You, whatever you want, you will actually have it. And I do see like some sort of a financial victory or some sort of a win happening, something that was stuck from a long time, you know. Like you were waiting for a promotion, clearing an exam, but now, or you gave an exam, but you never cleared it in the past. But now in May, the results came out and you cleared it. Purse, pay attention to your finances. Yes, I told you, money is coming in slowly, but it is coming in. Path, a path with money is opening for you. Money, more money ideas will be coming. Involvement with the law. I do see some legal victory happening for you, like a case come winning, a victory, or some sort of a business deal cracking for you. You getting permissions, you getting the permits, the visas for traveling. Throne, position of authority, promotions coming. May is important. I told you this is the May reading. Oh my God, May is very important, friends. Wine, seek information that will help you. Yes, friends, it is. I do feel you will. Your mind will be very active. Younger man is important. Wed, someone is trying to get between you and another person. January is also important. So May and January are important. Mountain, major challenge to overcome. Yeah, I do feel mentally you are very active, and also you are attracting a lot of solutions, lot of ideas, lot of people. So it will be a challenge to figure out the right thing. Key, successful outcome to all your problems. Scales, keep your life in balance. Yes, balance is very necessary this month because you're very mentally charged up. Things will not always be this way. A positive change is coming for you, Gemini. So what a wonderful and powerful month for you. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye-bye.